I have been asleep for a few months but finally woken up. We start where we left off, and for some reason I started disassembling stuff to get the motor out, and here is a time lapse of the boring process. Now we take a break to inspect the underside of the car.
The motor is mostly free, it's just bolted here, I believe. And these are the engine mounts, and they're holding up the weight of the whole transmission. So I can't just remove them, it's probably gonna fall down. I think I need to lift the whole car just to get under there and put something under the transmission. Great thing about having a car with an engine that's removed, or engine that's very much lighter than the old one, is that it's very back heavy. So there's a lifting point here, and I lifted the car here, and it lifted the whole side of the car. So I don't need to move the jack around or something. I can just lift at one point and the whole side is up. Let's take a look. I've never seen what's going on under here yet. This is probably for the fuel tank, I'm not sure what it is. Some sensor. I would guess this is a fuel line. High voltage cables. There's actually a hole here, you can see the flywheel. Because I'm guessing the exhaust was running in this tunnel also. This is a lot of space, you could lower the floor quite a bit. This is maybe the refueling hole. Yeah, it seems like this whole floor is plastic actually. I think a muffler was here, exhaust. It's a lot of space. That could be used for storing batteries, for example. Yeah, this space is also pretty cool. You could use it to store something like chargers or something. The tour under the car is done.
Back to the time lapse.
Well, it is pretty cool that you can lift the engine by hand. I don't know many cars that you can do that with.